Okay, so we have to solve this. We should evaluate this and leave our answer in standard form. But already this is in decimal. So before we solve this, we have to write this in whole number, or we have to get rid of the decimals. Then after, we will write this in standard form. So let us bring the main question out of the work. So we have 4.56 times 3.6 all over 0.12. This is what we are going to solve. Now, to make this a whole number, we have to get rid of the decimals. So meaning we have to push this decimal point to the back of the 6 to get 4, 5, 6. Now, if we move the decimal point backwards, we have a negative power. So we moved it twice. So we have a negative power of -2. Multiplied by, we repeat the same process here, but this time we moved the decimal point once. So we have a negative power of 1. Then all over, we are going to perform same action here. I'm going to move the decimal point backwards. Then we have 12 multiplied by 10 minus 2. Alright. Now let us group like terms. Grouping of like terms simply means we group the whole numbers, then we group the indices or the power of natural numbers. So 4, 5, 6 multiplying 36 multiplying 10 minus 2 multiplying 10 minus 1 all over 12. At this point, we can do some simple cancellation, whereby we can say this will get rid of this. Then we can also say 2 or 12 into itself once, and 12 into 36 3 times. Then we can now rewrite this as 4, 5, 6 multiplying by 3 by 10 minus 1 all over, we have 1 times any number is 1, because we have 1 here. So 1 times 1 is 1. Now we have 4, 5, 6, 456 by 3 by 10 minus 1. So we multiply the whole numbers here. Now when 456 multiplies 3, we have, when this multiplies this, we have 1368 multiplied by this. This is not in standard form, because with standard form, the decimal must come in between the first and second non-zero digit. But initially, when we started, we pushed all the decimal points back, or we moved the decimal points back. So meaning the decimal point is now here at the back here. So to bring it back, we have to push it forward. So let us do that. 1, 2, 3. Now when we push the decimal point forward, it becomes, or it gives a positive power. But when we send the decimal point backwards, we have a negative power. So this time around we moved the decimal point 1, 2, 3. The decimal point is now here. We now have 1.368 times 10 to the power 3. We moved it 3 times. Multiplied by this, we still have this. 10 minus 1. Then we come and see we have 1.368. Now, law of indices. When the bases are the same, we pick one of the bases, then we add the powers. So when the bases are the same and they are multiplying, we pick one of the bases, then we add the powers. In my next video, I will brief much about law of indices. So we have 3 adding -1. Okay. Now it is advisable to put negative numbers in brackets to avoid confusion. So from this point, we say we have 1.368 times 10. Now this is how I used to teach pupils when it comes to integers. If you have a negative number, it means you owe. Now if you have a positive number, it means you have money. So we have 3 amounts of money, and we are owing a negative amount of money. So at the end of the day, if we have 3 amounts of money and we go to pay some, do we still owe, or we still have money? So we still have money of 2. And this is our final answer in standard